Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Tesla stock and is this thing a sell now? Because as you can see, it's just not a red candle. We have lost some of the levels that I have been talking about as if near-term cool-off can begin as if we start to lose certain levels. Now, what were those levels? Well, let's take a look at all in this video because we are seeing some resistance show up. Now, the last video that I did on Tesla was over the weekend. And then yesterday I did on my Patreon as a coverage, as a regular coverage with the members with many other stocks. All details of that are in the description of this video if that interests you together with my tools. Now, before going further, none of this is any financial advice is what I want to let you know and is only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Tesla here, we were seeing I'm on the daily interval, we were seeing a good rebound. Well, it was a pullback technically and a good comeback again all the way to $333, but unfortunately that level still rejected second time recently, and that's why I have highlighted that area because it's an important area. Now on the hourly interval, for yesterday at least, the regular coverage with the members that I do, this was the zone around 327 to, sorry, yeah, this was the zone 326 to 325 area. If we lose it today, it was a continuation to the downside, and also we were already seeing a weakness. If you have access to my other tools as well, you can see, yes, that was a bullish play near term intraday, and then we started to reject underneath that blue box again. You can see structure is red and it's still red, so it's not a buy. This means any position taken over here, all the profits should be taken over here, at least in the near term, and wait for the confirmation again on the bullish side. Otherwise, yeah, no, we are negative or a short play, and we are continuing in the short play. So yeah, right now it's not a buy, and as you can see, this was the last line of defense in the near term intraday multi-day, like 325 to 326, and we lost it, and we are now intraday multi-day full on again in the downtrend. Overall structure, I'll talk about that in just a second, is still there's still a room for it to save itself. Well, for that we'll have to see a rebound area. Where can it give us that rebound? And then as if it can turn intraday multi-day in an uptrend. So right now, as we are in the intraday multi-day downtrend, on the overall structure, this is more turning out like a failure of a almost a failure of a pivot with almost a double top here in the strong resistance zone. A double top is not very apparent on the daily, but if I show you on the 4 hours and hourly interval, that's where the double top is. Now, and at a very important significant level. Now, if any rebound potential has to build up, we want to hold above 313 and see a rebound from there. But now it will be just a rebound technically. If we lose 313, definitely there's a room we can come down to $300 again on Tesla. So let's get to the hourly interval back again because I want to talk about as if even we find rebound, let's say at 313 at that significant level, if we find a rebound, first it will be just a rebound, okay? This level above 321 will now in the near term start acting as a resistance. So even if the rebound comes, but we stay below 321, that will still just constitute a rebound. We'll have to break out above 321 to again potentially form an uptrend again, because we started to form intraday multi-day downtrend and cool off below 326 and $325 area. Anyways, an easy peasy way to understand is just to turn on the tools. This is another tool. Other tools are already turned on my screen with the dashboard and other levels and all other cool stuff that these things do. But yeah, we are already red, so now this is not a buying place on Tesla, right? So right now we're just continuing lower. We lost the levels, and yes, it's in the downtrend. So, well, it's again for the bulls a waiting game, and Tesla is definitely again going in the direction, at least near term intraday multi-day, in the direction of the bears. That's all I had for you guys in this video, and we'll see you in the next videos. Take care, bye.